So to get hold of Fusion, you're going to need to create an account for the Autodesk. So here you can see what the current https://www.autodesk.com, and here we need to create an account. Obviously you'll need to fill in these details, click I agree and create an account. So I'm back at the Autodesk.com website. I've now created my account and I'm logged into my account. So what I want to do is I want to find the product, in this case Fusion. We'll let this load in. Now a lot of people jump straight in and download the free trial. So this will give you a free trial for so long, and then it will downgrade to whichever license you've got. Now what I'm going to suggest is, if you scroll down this page, you'll see here we've got Autodesk Fusion 360 plans and prices. What I'm going to suggest is go to for individuals. Now here you can see again, it looks like you've got $680 a year or $85 a month. But what I'm interested in is Fusion for personal use. So let's look at this. So here you can see again the options. So you can see if you buy the full version, this is what you're getting with this, or we've got the limited use version, and this is what we want. So I'm going to suggest we go get Fusion for personal use. So then we click on continue. It's now doing some verifications, so it's found my first name and it's asking for a little bit more information, and click on continue. It's asking me for my country. So normally I'm in the UK, and it'll ask for a postcode. And we need to click on agree and then submit. Now this might take a little while. So download and install Autodesk Fusion for personal use. I'm going to click on download now. We come to this other screen here. So it looks like it hasn't automatically started. Click on this. And here you can see the file has come down and it's 13.8 megabytes. So we'll have a look in the folder view. As you can see, I've got a number of exe files here because I've been practicing this for the video. So we want to start this one. So if I double click it, now I'm expecting a problem on my machine in a minute. It's going to go through a few checks. Now here you can see it's throwing up a problem. And what it's telling me for my system, the system is out of disk space. Please create 5.28 gigabytes of space before proceeding. Now what you need to be aware of, Fusion 360, as it was known, has to be installed to your C drive. Now in my case, my C drive is quite full, so I'm in the process of looking at putting a new hard drive into my laptop. But I thought it was worthwhile showing this, just so you need to be aware that you do need quite a bit of disk space when you're going to put it in. When you do install it, it's not going to take up 5.28 gigabytes, but I think maybe that might be the case if you were putting full package in. So I'm going to click on cancel this time, and just to let you see the problem I've got at the moment, I've got 2.83 gigabytes left of my 120 gigabyte hard drive. If I had had enough disk space, the setup would have gone through and installed the program for me, and then it would have been a case of we're ready to use Fusion